What do you think? She could be the best mayor of Johannesburg. Look at this.
Most of these houses, they belong to the city, but we've neglected this for decades. Now, to clean this mess is going to take a while, but I just wanted to give you a view. No one pays for this water. Look, all these Fokus that are here, all these people, they stay here. They're using electricity, they're using water. So this is a typical backyard in Pretoria West. So what we are doing now is to locate the private owners. And once we locate the private owners, then we see what we can do to apply our bylaws. But as the city, the ones that belong to the city, we need to evict people and we need to claim our houses back.
She's actually a mayor of 20. Look what she's doing. Give me your opinion of her job in 20.
Everything that's here, it's illegally connected. There's no meters. Everything is connected straight. So all these breakers, they're feeding these people, and these people are really not paying city. So we are here with the mayor to resolve such things, and with city power and everyone.
I think that the special cleanup in Johannesburg was only for G20.
The citizens of Johannesburg must know we are still on the ground, we are still working. It was not just for G20. The mayor has a plan.
Johannesburg after G20. South Africa will not be invited on G20 next year. Subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. Fokou Media, wherever you go. What is your thought about this? If South Africa is not invited on G20 next year in America, what will happen?
As the United States says it is not inviting South Africa to participate in next year's G20 events. President Donald Trump has confirmed this on social media platform, or rather Truth Social.
When we defeated load shedding just prior to elections, we're told that we defeated load shedding because there were elections. And now we are beyond elections, load shedding is still not there. But people didn't believe that. Even now, we are told that we are putting a lipstick on a pig purely because of G20. We want to commit that we are going to go beyond G20.
This is actually Johannesburg after G20. This is actually Johannesburg after G20. But it seems like the government have solved this problem. Did you still have load shedding in your place? And when the government was working on load shedding, people were saying that it's because of election. G20 came to South Africa, and after G20, they also say that they are cleaning up the street just because of G20. Do you think that the special cleanup in Johannesburg was only for G20?
Miniyane amajakete umnomneka sinawo nokuvala amabhodo avuzayo nothara bavuza ukhona nomuthi wokushisa ukhula yisikhatha nezihlahla.
are actually camping. They are camping.
Look at that. So all these mekukus here, there's about 20 of them inside one yard. So you can imagine just the amount of electricity these people use. They are on phase 1 instead of phase 3, because if you're going to have so many people, you need to upgrade it.